came for the escape room and got the insurance guy instead. That's it. That's what makes a really good escape room, is you think you're coming in for one thing, and then they switch it up right at the very end. Hi, I'm Chad Taylor, Your Place Insurance. Some of the people in the insurance world may know me as Chad Taylor from Combined Insurance Services, an employee benefits company. Broke away last year. My brother runs Combined Insurance, and my focus is more on the individual person across the desk. How can I help you personally with your goals? Okay. We are an everything agency, and when I say that, I mean we are an everything agency. We are Medicare, life insurance, health insurance, any type of medical products, P&C, both personal and commercial. P&C is property and casualty, so if you are a business owner and need general liability or professional liability or umbrella policies, bonds, whatever you need, we can help you out. The reason that we're here, though, is because starting today, we are opening up our brand new title insurance division. Title insurance is basically there to protect your home in case there's any kinds of liens against it, anything like that. So that way, one of your biggest purchases in your life will be protected. We're really excited about this, and it's something that I've been working for, since I started Your Place. My goal really is to be a single point of contact for any kind of insurance needs that you may have. And the reason is because a lot of us tend to forget what we have because things are done through auto pay, or things are done to where you just forget, oh, I forgot that I had this life insurance policy. Oh, why is my car insurance rate 50% higher than I remember? And a lot of that is because we just tend to get it and forget it. Where with one point of contact, you have somebody who contacts you, make sure that you're good every single year, no matter what it is. And then you don't have to think, okay, now who is my agent? Which is something I hear a lot from people. That's always really fun, trying to track down who their original agent was. We're very big on education. Our typical, let's say, Medicare appointment lasts for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, because we take the time to make sure that people understand what it is they're buying. When someone's turning 65, or even if they already have coverage, they're getting inundated with mailers going, oh, Medicare, Medicare, Medicare. They don't know what Medicare actually is or how the benefits work. So we put together an education guide for both Medicare and homeowners. I'm also working on one for title insurance. We want to make sure people know what they are spending their money on, because a lot of times it's a lot of money. So every penny, you have to know where it's going. We also believe in no pressure sales. I'm a big believer in take your time. I am not the guy who will say, okay, you have to know right now what you want. I hate when people do that to me. The second somebody starts to high pressure me, I walk away. So I never want to do that to other people. If you feel pressured, you may make the wrong choice. We're also very big on transparency. A lot of the complaints that I get from people, no matter what type of policy they have, is they weren't aware that something was done. Either extra coverage was added, they didn't know what the process was. If we're waiting on something from the carrier, they weren't informed of it, which is why such and such takes time. Transparency is big, and especially when we're going into title insurance, we put a big emphasis on the transparency of the process. Because of that, we, on the title side, we signed up with a company called Qualia. They have a product called Qualia Connect that we're investing in. Essentially what it is, online portal where your real estate agent, your lender, your buyer, your seller can all get in there. They can see exactly what's going on in the process. Because a lot of times you're just waiting around. We don't want that to be the case. It's also big on security, where you can put in secure messages, you can put your documents right through there. All your information goes to one place and allows you even to schedule closings directly through it. We're extremely excited about this because one of the main complaints that we had heard was that the homeowners market right now is insane. People are buying up houses left and right. You can't put a house on the market for a lot of times without it being immediately scooped up. Realtors, mortgage processors, banks are busy. But if they have the ability, just log in and see where things are, they can update their clients. And really the client's gonna know what's going on already if they log in as well. So our ultimate goal is to help real estate agents, mortgage processors and brokers and banks be able to help their clients. And if they do that, they look better. We're underwritten by First American Title, which is one of the big ones. Very happy about that. We use Safe Escrow for our escrow services. It's a new type of escrow company that is very technology based. It does reconciliations all the time, so that way you don't have to worry about fraud or embezzlement or anything like that. The money is being taken care of and being tracked whenever it goes in and out. Because security fraud is huge in the title market. We want to make sure our clients never have to worry about that. And finally, for e-recording, we use SimpliFile. That is a product that allows us to send documents over, they take it over to the correct recording places and are able to get that done really fast, because there are times when you may get some documents signed and then by the time they get it delivered to where they need to go, let's say the county clerk, something has changed. And if that happens, then there's a possibility that you could have a problem down the road. So the faster things are recorded, the safer you are. We put a lot of time and effort and investment into making sure that we're the one-stop shop for all of your homeowners' needs, especially since, from what I can tell, we're going to be the only agency that can do title insurance and homeowners insurance with one contact. So especially for realtors and mortgage processors, that's going to make their lives a lot easier, because it's one less phone call, one less contact they have to keep up with to be able to get exactly what they need. When it comes to Quality Connect, give you real-time progress updates. Communication is seamless. You can go in and do it through email or directly through the phone app if you want to communicate. And then all the documents are actually stored infinitely. So let's say you lose a document, it'll be in that system so you can go back years down the road to be able to look it up. Automated progress tracking, let you know where you are in the process. We let you know who the parties are that are involved. I love the app, especially for realtors. You can actually get quotes directly through there for free. So that way it can be co-branded with your company's logo as well. And that way you can give your people, okay, here's an estimate on the taxes, here's an estimate on what's going to cost for your title, insurance, and everything else on there. So the short version is, we're extremely excited to be able to bring new products out. The reason that I kind of left employee benefits is because my passion is helping people one-on-one, okay? When it comes to doing general liability for a company, I'm excited because I know everybody in the company is protected. When it comes to doing Medicare, I can look at myself in the mirror at night and know that I helped somebody and that their lives are going to be better because I had a hand in it. Now, when it comes to title insurance, I'm going to feel better knowing that I was able to help somebody secure one of the largest purchases that they're ever going to make. And my dad was in the insurance industry. He started, I think the year I was born, started his own company. That was Combined Insurance. And he passed away last year. But before he did, we had discussed me doing this because, because he knew my passion was individuals. My passion was people. And he always told me that at the end of the day, it's not about how much money you make. It's not about the commission you can get off somebody. It's about being able to look at yourself in the mirror at the end of the day and know that you did your best to help other people. And that is what Your Place Insurance is all about. It's about helping people. It's about getting people where they need to be. And with the knowledge that if I cannot help you and my people can't help you, we will send you somewhere that can, that we trust to be able to do right by you. And I think that's about it.
Start right here. First question.